Hey guys, your girl Beauty with Mika, and I am here to do an unboxing of the Apple AirPods. So this is what I wanted to do, to show you guys an unboxing and let you guys know what I think. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below if you guys want to see more unboxings. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Hey you guys, your girl Beauty with Mika, and I wanted to do an unboxing of the Apple AirPods along with the case. So this is the pocket case that I got. I purchased mine at Best Buy for $24, and I know that you can get them. You can get these less than $20, but this is the one I chose to pick out. And here is the Apple AirPods. Now I have chosen to get these because I wanted something without the cords, and these are Bluetooth. From the research that I found is that you can get a usage out of these of 5 to 6 hours. Now I did purchase mine at Best Buy for $159. You can't get them on Apple's website, and you can get them pretty much anywhere. But I did notice that at Target they do offer a warranty. I chose not to get the warranty on them, so I just wanted to do an unboxing and show you guys what they look like. So this is the packaging that it comes with. This is just a manual, typical Apple manual. They come in different languages. I do get a 1-year limited time warranty on here, and here are the instructions for the AirPod itself. So this is for any Apple iOS 10 plus. So I'm just going to follow the instructions. Here is the little battery that it comes with. Well, this is the charger and the AirPods itself. So this is the case, and here are the AirPods. And if I can get them out. Now, I will recommend, if you do have long nails, be prepared. You don't want to scratch them up. This is the, oh, at the bottom. Tells you so. This is the right one. And this is the little charging that it comes in, and that light is blinking, so that lets me know that I do need to charge it. And this is the left one. That's why I actually bought this case, and I will show you guys why. Because this is small, and your AirPods are in here, and this is how you charge your AirPods. So your girl needed a case. And let's see. Oh, and back here is the cord. So the cord does come in the box, and it's back here. Most standard Apple cords, I feel like they all work for the same thing. So we're gonna go ahead and take this apart. Now I do keep most of my Apple charging boxes, or these type of boxes, for up to 1 year, because sometimes they ask for like serial numbers and things like that. You can register this on the Apple website also, but your receipt is also your backup. So I will go ahead and charge this into just my standard universal Apple connector. And this one comes with my Apple Watch. Pretty much any Apple product, you should have this base. So, and then I just stick the cord in here like this. And when I turn it on now, that light, and that light right there is charging. That means it's charging. Once it's green, that means my AirPods are ready. But as long as my AirPods are in here, that means that they're charging. So you could use these, take them out. You can even use one at a time. You can use them both, but I definitely want this to charge. So I'm gonna put it on the charger right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I connect it to my phone. So it says, this is my iPhone. It says to turn on the Bluetooth. So I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth connectivity right here. And voila! Now I'm going to connect it. And I heard this is pretty simple, just to keep them connected. So now it's letting me know that the actual earbuds are at 84%, and the battery life on here is 78%. And as long as I have my Bluetooth on, it's connected. So as you guys can see, my AirPods are connected, my Apple Watch is connected, all of it's all connected pretty much. And this little red dot means that it's charging. So the battery life on here has 79%, the actual AirPod has 85%. And when I take this out, I could be able to use it. So yeah, that was pretty much it. This is like fairly simple. And just to let you guys see it, so when I took it out, it shows the left and the right. So this one is the left one, so it shows that the left one has 86% charge and the right one has a 91%, and this battery mode has 79%. And I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see it. So yeah, and that's what it looks like, and it was that simple. Now when I take one out, if I can do this with both hands, that's what I mean. So it shows the left at 87%, the right at 92%, and the actual battery itself is at 78%. So that is it. And it's just connecting and it's charged. So that is it for this unboxing. You guys know I am not a techie person. I wish my girl Kay's Way does something, but yeah, something simple, something quick. If you guys want to see me use these, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and charge these up. I will give you guys some feedback, put these in the video. I know my girl Beauty Essentials on here really raved about these and love these. She has a little bit more detail on a favorites video or her vlog channel, and I'll post her vlog channel down below. If you guys have not subscribed, tell her that I sent you guys. And other than that, all is good. I will come back and show you guys how the actual case looks with it. So I'll be right back in a minute.